So this is a quick little video on how you put a easy way of putting a new roof onto a shed. So as you can see here, this roof's not doing so hot. Tons of cracks. It's coming apart. Honestly, we leave it on there for a bit longer, the whole thing might collapse, right? You can see greenery growing on it, vines spilling off of it. Not looking great, right? So stick to the end, see the final product, see how it goes. Um, so yeah, no, not looking hot. Hole in it, as you can see, that's crazy. Um, so yeah, this is the ladders that are used to keep it up. Since this was a one-man project, those ladders are actually going to be later used to keep up the roofing as a whole, and these planks that I'm showing right now while I'm working on it. So these are some tools that are used. Handy dandy drill, obviously. Hammer, some cutters for those vines, right? Um, and if you'll notice, a lot of these power tools are battery operated. That's because I believe that battery operated tools are very valuable, especially when you're working on a project such as this, which has no electricity access. So these came very handy. Uh, so the destruction of the property, as you can see, very bad. It's not looking so hot. But don't worry, we're going to be putting it all together. So I got started, measured out these oak, maybe oak actually, I don't, these planks, these wooden planks, measured them out, got them perfectly fit onto this shed, onto the shed roof. Um, and yeah, this is where those ladders are going to be coming into clutch, because those ladders, as I said, I'm going to be doing this a lot on my own, right? So those are going to help keep things steady while I drill in some holes. So a lot of the wooding and the tiling on this roof, sorry, has rotted away, corroded. It's not looking so hot, right? But again, don't worry, we're gonna get that all fixed up in coming shortly. So again, this is another one of the supports. No, it's not. Never mind. My bad. So I'm tearing it down. I'm actually using that to tear it down. We got to get the old roof off to put the new one on. Out with the old, in with the new. So as you can see, this is the newly bought planks, sticking them through for the old supports, getting them all nice and in there. Again, ladders, great. They reach high and are great supports, are made to support things, so very useful. Yeah, so that's where we're going to be putting them in. That's where they're going to end up going. So as you can see, there it is. Added on an extra, the roofing. Have bolted on, screwed on all of those planks. Only one side's in yet, but as you can see, that one side is looking fantastic, if I have to say. Looking great. It's way sturdier than what it was. No risk of falling apart. And there we go. Sick transition shows off the finished product. Look at that. Not so finished, actually. I tricked you there. It's not completely done yet. We got to add in our sidings to the roof. So yeah, sidings are just going to be there to help provide extra stability, extra protection against the elements, and just overall keep it more secure. So there's the roof right there, looking nice, looking far more secure. So yeah. And there's the finished product. Look at that. Looking fancier than ever, you could say. So yeah, we binded that all up, got it all good, and look at that.